right.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Warning.
40, 30, 20, 10. Let's do this.
Start in the middle.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I haven't got anything out in the last week. I went out of town last weekend, but that's no excuse. You deserve some good workouts, and that's what I'm going to give you today. So this is a workout routine that we did recently. Amber was really loving it, as you'll be able to tell in the beginning and in the end. So the workout is 40, 30, 20, 10 of each of the following movements: Russian twist. The ball is optional if you want to use some weight to make it a little harder, alternating V-ups, and then mountain climbers. So nothing too technical. This one is just all about not stopping, trying to keep that movement going, trying to keep good form, keep your breathing, keep your pacing. And this is a really good one that you can look back at later and kind of use as a benchmark, because it is only about 7 minutes, and kind of see where you're at, where you progressed. You know, if you're doing a different core routine, amongst other things, your cardio and your strength and everything on a consistent basis, this would be a good one that I'd check back in on like 2 times a month or so, and just kind of see if you're getting a little bit quicker, maybe a little more proficient in the movements. But with that being said, a really great ab routine. And if you watched the end, stay to the end, and a great little race that me and Amber had, as always. I hope you enjoy the video and look forward for another one coming out real soon. Hope everyone has a great 4th of July weekend.
Hey! What are you sneaking up?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh.
Good stuff.